all disorganized and somehow got flip-flopped upside down. and all of my tools, all of my little gizmos and gadgets here that men usually take care of, right, are all over the place. I mean, look, a girl's gotta become independent, you know? I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta learn, gotta look stuff up. The internet is so brilliant. Look up how to do stuff. I'm so thankful for being alive right now. There's just so many things. Like, I don't even know what half of this stuff is. Like, flat circle things. Spongy, some of these like round things. We just make a round. A round. Like, I got a bunch of round things. That's all I know, you know? A bunch of round gizmos and gadgets here. That I would probably just put all together in a round gizmos and gadgets bin. Oh, goodness, this is funny. I don't know. See, look, round gizmos and gadgets. But how many women go through their freaking toolboxes? For my round gizmos and gadgets. No. Like, where do these even go? Why do I have them? You know, like, I mean, do I just keep it for a rainy day? That's so cute. A little tiny light bulb. So a wrench. I need a wrench. I need a screwdriver, right? Small and big, different sizes. Need a little baby one. Okay, this works, this works. Okay. I know this is something. See, lots of hooks. But I had screwdriver, right? So it's flat. I don't know. Aww. I think I found this a long time ago and I kept it. I'll put this with my collection. Ooh, who's Lily? His friend Lily called him. Without the random keys I have. Anybody else have a random key area? This looks like a socket. I'm really quite sure how to use a socket without a socket wrench though, so if you're missing one talent, I found it. Okay. I think it's pretty much organized into 5 bags. Okay, so I got my round items, which I have no idea why I would even need these. Into my bag. We got these things, which usually whenever you get something, they always come with one, so maybe that's why I have so many. Okay, and I got all the screws and like things, even the flat, like the ones that don't have the screw at the bottom, the flat ones. And this random bag of goodies, which I don't know why I would ever need this, but you never know. Then, let's see, all the nails I found, and the handy things. From my pink bag, I have a pink level. Screwdriver, a little mini screwdriver, another screwdriver, random thing, random thing, random thing, wrench, socket, another little random, and then a little screw thing. 3 of these, which I'm hoping I know and can find out what these are from. They're like bottoms of something. But yeah, it is complete.